like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper basket. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in 3 equal parts. Open it and again fold it in 3 equal parts. Now open it and now just fold it like this way. Now take a scissor and do curve like this way. So it will look like this way. Now open it. Now we have to cut this line. Now we have to stick it like this way. So let's stick this at both the sides. So it will look like this way. Now we have to take a strip to make handle. On this strip I will stick blue color strip also. So let's stick this. It look like this way. Now here I have these 2 flowers, so let's stick this. And the paper basket is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.